Now today I'll be sharing on how you can obtain temporary tags without visiting the DMV. And I want to thank Dirt Legal for sponsoring this video. I truly believe this will help many of you out there to simply obtain temp tags and not waste your time at the DMV. So right on top of their website, we can clearly see now offering 90-day temp tags for all vehicles. Get yours here. Now before we go through that process, I just want to point something out. As you can see, they also deal with dirt bikes, ATVs, and off-road vehicles. But look at the reviews. A 5-star rating on Facebook as well as Google. And just as important, you can pick up the phone and call them. So if you have a tricky situation, you want to double check, give them a call and they'll be happy to help. So once again, if we jump over to the registration, you'll find that this service provides you with an out-of-state 90-day temporary license plate and registration. You will need to email us with a picture of your ID, so driver's license for example, a bill of sale, which is if you just purchased a vehicle, or other proof of ownership document. Maybe you own a vehicle that's off the road. You have the title. It's under your name, the title, but now you want to sell the car and people can't test drive the vehicle without tags. So this is a super simple way to get that done. You have two options. You can have the documents emailed and mailed to you. Now the mail option is a little bit more, or just email. I imagine most of you will choose just the email option. And then you simply just insert your name, the VIN number of your vehicle, the year, make, model, color. Again, you want to verify that you do own the vehicle and that it is insured. Add to cart, and that's it. You are ready to go. Within 1 to 2 days, you will have the documents and you can legally drive your vehicle for 90 days on the road. And once again, I want to thank Dirt Legal for sponsoring this video. I truly believe, I really do believe many of us can use their service. I wasted hours at the DMV during COVID and had to go 3 times to register a vehicle. So this is a very nice, simple application. And once again, if you do need to call them, there's their phone number. Thank you so much for watching.